Hey y'all, I think we got a Born Pretty package today. It's late at night, y'all. I said, let me go ahead and get this open so I can at least see what they sent me, because this time I had told, I think it's Emily, my rep to just go ahead and surprise me. Usually I get the pick, but I just told her to go ahead and surprise me. So let's see what we got. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I wanted some of this. The Jelly Non-Stick Hand Extension Nail Gel. Yes. This is what y'all be using when y'all be doing 3D stuff. I was wanting some of this, y'all. Okay, let me open it up. I'm not going through that. Look. I don't want to touch it because I know y'all be saying, you know what I'm saying, not to touch it. But, ooh, it seems like it's non-stick. Oh, yeah, that's nice. It's like Christmas, y'all. I don't even celebrate Christmas. Oh, my gosh. This how y'all be feeling on Christmas. What is this? Metal painting gel. Now I have a couple of these in a couple different brands. Have not, I'm sure it's just like any other one. So I may not open this one, y'all, cause no, I'm gonna go ahead and open. Should I open it? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Cause I gotta review these things for y'all. But I'm sure it's just like the mirror gel. It's probably like the silver metallic, like, you know. Yep. So yeah, I have a lot of different brands of that. And it's basically just like a chrome paint. What else? Okay, last thing. Okay, it's a couple of things, and here are a few things. Let me get my scissors. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, I might have to pull out some swatch sticks for these. I like this, y'all. I like them to surprise me. I don't never get surprised. Okay, so we've got this color. I cannot read that, Born Pretty. Okay, it says glitter jelly gel. I can't read that number on there. Now, I think I have pretty good eyesight. You know what I mean? I don't wear glasses or anything like that. But I must say, it has been quite a while since I've been to the eye doctor. Opening enrollment is coming. It's coming soon, y'all. I believe it's November. Ooh, I think it's this week. So I am gonna be updating my insurance, my medical stuff. Ooh, y'all see the little sparkle in that? Y'all see that? Okay, this one is Sunset Glaze. Well, I can read this, y'all. And can't really tell. This is Grape MY270. Let me get what I need. 3 swatch sticks. Let me get my 3 swatch sticks. Y'all know I'm gonna use swatch sticks though, cause y'all know I'll pull out a tip real quick that I don't like to use. But I done used all my little tips, y'all. The only tips that I really have left are like the small ones. And they go like on the pinky and stuff. And don't nobody want to swatch on that. What is that? What'd that do? All right, here we go. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, y'all. This will be pretty on a winter set. This, I can see it now. I can see it. I can see it now, y'all, on a winter set. It's like a milky, but it's got that shimmer in it. And I can use that for like snow. Lord, I hope we don't get no snow this year. We've been getting snow every year. And we don't even be getting snow like that. So I don't know why we be getting snow. This wasn't no cat eye or nothing like that. No, this was just a glitter jelly gel. Okay. So I think this one might be a cat eye. This is the grape. But yeah, y'all, I ain't, I mean, I can drive in snow. Ooh. Is this like a two-tone or something? I might want to put a second coat on this one. This is pretty. It's like a purple. Ooh. It's like a purple gold like. Y'all see the cat eye? Ooh. Y'all, cat eyes are so fun. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. It's everything. I just messed it up. Lord, why I do that, y'all? Look, I just messed it up trying to put it in the light. Lord. What? What? Okay. I'm just, and look, now I done, mercy. See, this is why I shouldn't be doing this late at night. I don't be doing stuff at night. Okay. I'm not a night person like that, y'all. I am a morning person. Oh, I got an extra one. See, God knew, because I thought I only put 3 out here, and I done put 4, because he knew I was going to mess that up. Okay, he knew I was going to mess that up. Let me zoom in for y'all some more. All right, let's check this one out. This one is, I believe, another cat eye. Ooh, it's got like a blue, purple. It's like blue, purple, and oh, yes, yes. Let's go to the other side. Oh, yo, it just be so pretty. It be so pretty, y'all. We're gonna do this one again. We're gonna go back to this one because I love these. Oh my gosh, I'm thinking of a set. I'm thinking of a set because I am gonna do a set. It's not gonna be tonight, but it will be in the same video, so y'all won't be able to tell because it's gonna be television magic, okay? But I am gonna do a set with this stuff. And I got something in mind already. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty, 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 pretty. So y'all, this is like a purple and like a yellow gold. This is what I got so far. That other one's curing. I got a little white background right here. That ain't really helping with the white. Ooh, that blue is so pretty over that white. And here it is on the white back. Ooh, y'all. This is, Let me do a second coat just to see how this second coat hitting on. Let's see what the second coat hitting on. Okay. Let's activate. Let's do something fancy. Let's do something fancy with the cat eye. Ooh. The cat eye is cat eyeing. Do y'all see it? The cat eye is definitely cat. Ooh. Ooh. The cat eye is cat eyeing. So that's with 2 coats. YouTube magic. This is a whole like 3 days later, you guys. I am gonna swiftly put this acrylic on this nail because I'm going to make a design on this nail using everything. Not one thing, not 2 things, everything, yes, everything that I got in this package, okay? So just bear with me, you guys, because I didn't know where I was going with this. This is fun, but it's a challenge, and I just decided to challenge myself and use everything that Born Pretty sent me in this package. So first I'm starting off. I'm going to lay this down and activate the cat eye. I'm grabbing my non-stick nail gel, and I didn't want to do anything that everyone has always done with this 3D gel, you guys. I didn't want to do, you know, the lips or the flower. So I seen this and I was like, ooh, this kind of like looks like a scaly like look, like a, I don't know, y'all. I was giving like mermaid or something like that. So I got it and I rolled that out, and that's how it's looking, like fins or something. I don't know, y'all. Just go with me. I'm just making this up as I go. So I'm going to put this on the nail and lay it down flat. So now I'm going to use this mirror gel, and this is basically a chrome in a liquid form, so it's so much better. It's not messy. You don't have to rub nothing in. You don't have to make sure nothing's cured, you know, a certain way. You don't have to worry about the disappointment in rubbing it and it's not coming out how you want it. So I'm just going to put this around the little 3D stuff that I just rolled out, you guys. And then this was actually pretty. I really should have just left it like this. I mean, I would have just left it. I could have wore it just like this, y'all. It's pretty just like that. But I said I wanted to challenge myself and use everything in the package. So now I'm going to put this purple one down, and I was putting down like just a really thin layer because I didn't want to like fill in the design that I just put on the nail. So I seen that it worked. I did clean it up a little bit. I didn't want to cover up the full design. You guys wouldn't have been able to see it. So I did kind of like clean it up and make it just a kind of like a smaller circle. And then I'm going to go around after I get the cat eye how I want it. Because at first I was going to just leave it purple. But then I was like, no, I want the cat eye to like come through. So now at this point, I'm starting to think of like a galaxy nail, like I don't know, just something in space, you guys. So I said, let me have that green come through there. So we're going to make this look like something in space, y'all. I don't know, just something, just use your imagination. So now I'm going around the circle that I just made with some more of the gel and just define that. So that's what I'm doing here. And now I'm going to add some more to thicken it up to, you know, make it pop a little bit off the nail, and then activate that that cat eye. Now I'm going in with this glue, and I'm going to go around the edges and make it, you know, more of a 3D look. So I said I was going to use everything, so now I'm using this, and I've just kind of put like some drips here. I don't know what it would be like in the galaxy world. Hopefully this is not like a sign that we are about to go into World War III, and these are not like bombs, like bombs or something, bombing our world, bombing into the world. Like, I don't know, y'all. Like, I'm looking back at this and I'm like, what is this? I don't even know what this is, y'all, but I wanted to use the little planet, so I used the green planet. It looked better with the set, so now I'm going to put it in the middle, you guys, and here is how the nail turned out. It's really pretty. It's given like that unicorn look underneath there. I didn't even put any type of shimmer on the 3D gel, but for some reason that 3D gel on top of that cat eye is giving off this like unicorn shimmer look. And then of course you got the middle right there with the cat eye as well. And then you've got you've got the little, we're just gonna call them other planets up there, are just particles, other particles in the universe that are kind of like just floating around the universe. So yeah, you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you, Born Pretty, for sending me out these products, you guys. Go check out Born Pretty. They are having a sale on their website. And I'll see you guys in my next video.